So we're here at our home base location in Panama City Beach, Florida, and we're gonna take a look at all these incredible slabs to see our future countertops. Hi, I'm Jared with Emerald Coast Fabrication, and we've been serving Northwest Florida for the past 32 years. This here is a white Dolomite with a very honed finish on it. It creates a very modern and soft look for its homeowners. This here is white Carrara Marble with a polished finish, quarried in northern Italy. Here is one of my favorite quartzites that we have, Esmeraldite. This material is quarried in Brazil and has a very deep emerald background to it with some rich gold veining as well. A striking and stunning marble, Callacata Viola, which features black and purple veining, something very unique in natural stone. Emerald Lagoon, a green quartzite from Brazil, a very unique, different type of green that features some soft gold veining, allows you to pull warm tones or cool tones. Viola Honed, a pure natural crystal quartzite that can be illuminated with a backlight, has gold, purple, and black veining throughout the material. The legendary quartzite Taj Mahal, a very neutral material that allows you to decorate with either warm tones or cool tones. Statuary Marble, a beautiful white marble from northern Italy with striking gray veins running through the material. Callacata Lilac, another white marble with a bunch of black veining running through the material, and this material can be found in Turkey. Our Tiffany Fire Quartzite, an aquamarine quartzite with stunning gold veins running through it, very unique and rare to see this coloration in a natural stone. This marble here is Callacata Mystery. Features a striking like Italian marble pattern, but this material is actually quarried in Namibia, Africa. One of my favorite natural stones, Lemurian Blue, featuring iridescent patches of blue. This material is quarried in Madagascar, small island off the coast of Africa. Our Vitro Crystal, completely translucent crystal material with soft gold veining, iridescent patches throughout, can be fully illuminated and creates a stunning feature when it's backlit. Our St. Moritz Quartzite. This material from Brazil features a striking white vein that runs down the middle of the slab with flowing red veinings throughout. Again, a very rare combination of colors in natural stone. Fusion, another quartzite from Brazil, has variations of colors running throughout the material with lots of flowing veins. So that does it for another episode of checking out the future countertops. I'm Jared with Emerald Coast Fabrication. If you want to see these slabs in action, don't forget to watch our other videos of checking out the countertops. And for more content, like and subscribe to our videos below. If you would like to see any of these stunning materials in person, please stop by our showroom facility at 17756 Panama City Beach Parkway and talk to one of the members of our design team.